Now the first thing I need to do is to ensure that the center point of my This is a protractor. We use a protractor to measure angles. We use the numbers at the top whenever the angle is facing this side. We use the numbers at the bottom whenever the angle is facing this side. This is the center point of the angle. We usually place this on the vertex. And this line here is the line we place on the straight line. Okay? Now the first thing I need to do is to ensure that the center point of my protractor is on the corner of the angle. This corner, we call it vertex. You can call it corner. I'm calling it corner so that you can understand, but we call it vertex. So you have to ensure that the center of the protractor, this place, is on that corner, is on that vertex. Did you see that? Good. Also, you have to ensure that the line of the protractor, this line, is on the bottom line of the angle. You can say that the bottom line of the angle is here, and the line of my protractor is also here. It's not like this. You can say that I've moved away from where the line is. It has to be here. So I've checked. The center point of my protractor is on the corner, and the line is on the bottom line. Good. I've labeled this side 0. Now, which side of the protractor will I use? I will use this side because this side is the side that has 0. Good. So how do I measure the angles? I look at this line. We are only interested in the numbers at the top, so that is the number we are going to look at. Now this passed through 80. Did you see it? Good. So this is 80. Did you see it? Can you see it? Okay. So this angle is 80 degrees. Do you understand? Good. My angle is facing this side, so I write 0 over here. What is the next thing? I bring my protractor. I must ensure that the center point of my protractor is on the corner, is on the vertex of my angle, right? Good. Now the bottom line is on the bottom line. Did you see that? Good. Since our 0 is here, yeah, so which scale do we use? We use the numbers at the bottom because the bottom part starts from 0. 0 is over here, so we are using this side, right? Good. Now the line is passing through what? What did you see? 60 degrees. So this is angle 60 degrees. Do you understand? Good. You see these small lines, they stand for numbers. I have 0 over here. The next line, instead of writing 1, we put a stroke. So after 0, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and on and on and on like that till 180 degrees. So sometimes if we need to measure maybe angle 62, I know that after 60 I need to count 2 strokes, 60, 61, 62. You get. And you see these longer ones, we count in 5. This is 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, like that. So all these lines are representing numbers. They are representing what? Numbers. So instead of writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so we just write 0, then we put the strokes. So it is your duty to count the strokes yourself. If you have angles like 62, 45, 43, 42, and others like that. Okay. So the angle is facing this side. I write my 0. I place my protractor on the vertex. So I use the numbers at the bottom, right? Now my line is passing through the side. I have 30, so this is 35. Did you see that? Because after 30 is 35, then 40, 45, 50, and so on. So the angle here is 35. If you count the small strokes, after 30, you count 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So you will see that it is correct. So a angle is facing this side. This will be the 0. Then place the center point on the vertex. Good. So I'm starting from this side because 0 is from here. So I'm starting from this side. So what did you see? The line passed through 90. So the angle here is 90 degrees. My angle is facing this side. I write 0. I check my protractor, which one starts from the side. Yeah, 0 is on this side, so I use the measurement here. Then my line is passing through this. If you look at it, this is 120. So the line after it is 125. If you count the tiny lines, you will realize that it is 125. After 120, if you count the tiny lines, 121, 122, 123, 124, it will be 125. So the angle here is 125 degrees.